Here's your mini tutorial for a 3D pattern. I start with a 4K square canvas in which I import my object as a PNG render with a transparent background. So here it is. We are going to place it in the middle of our canvas. Create 4 copies of the layer object, and we're going to place these copies in each of the 4 corners. I use the blue dots on the border of the image as a reference to better place it's a quarter of the image, so you have to place it well so it will repeat itself without seams later. I want to fill the space between the tulips with some golden dots. Do this on a separate layer. Then go to the wrench, copy canvas, then paste, and you'll have a brand new layer with everything. I checked the pattern with the pattern repeater from Pretty Little Lines website. Then I can do the same thing by hand in Procreate. So I'm going to take that final layer and copy a few times more and rescale the image. You can get this 3D tulip and the PNG for free if you comment tulip, and I will send it to you by DM. You'll get all the details. See you later!